Every beginner trader eventually faces a choice: use a stop loss or try to tough it out. Today, we're not going to sugarcoat it. We're talking about the brutal reality of trading without a stop loss. It's a path that leads to one place, and one place only: blowing up your trading account. If you've ever considered skipping this fundamental rule, this video is your wake-up call. First, let's be clear. A stop loss is simply an automated order to close your trade if the market moves against you by a predefined amount. It limits your potential loss. So why do traders ignore it? Usually it's hope. It will come back up, just a little, further, or the belief that they can exit manually. But in fast-moving markets, hope is not a strategy. It's a gamble. The most common outcome of trading without a stop loss is the slow bleed. You open a position, it goes against you, and you hold. Each tick further into the red eats into your capital. That initial small loss you were avoiding becomes a medium loss, then a big loss, then a critical loss. Your account slowly but surely shrinks, making it harder and harder to recover. Eventually, you can't even open new trades because your margin is gone. Then there's the worst-case scenario, the black swan event. A sudden news announcement, a flash crash, or an unexpected market shift that sends price hurtling in one direction. Without a stop loss, your single trade can wipe out weeks, months, or even years of progress. Or worse, your entire account in minutes. There's no time to react manually. You are exposed to unlimited risk. Beyond the financial ruin, not using a stop loss wreaks havoc on your psychology. The constant stress of watching losing trades, the desperate hope, and the frustration of missed opportunities. Because your capital is tied up in a losing position, it's exhausting. This emotional roller coaster leads to bad decisions, revenge trading, and ultimately, burnout. A stop loss isn't just about money. It's about protecting your mental capital too. The solution is simple, yet powerful. Always use a stop loss. Make it a non-negotiable part of every single trade. Accept the small, defined loss as the cost of doing business. A small loss is a learning experience. A blown account is the end of the road. Protect your capital, protect your mind, and live to trade another day. Don't let hope and fear dictate your trading. Trade with discipline. Trade with a stop loss. If this video helped you understand the importance of risk management, hit the like button and subscribe for more honest trading advice. Trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.